I think I like this side too. Hi, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Keita, and I hope that you go ahead and hit that red subscribe button on this side, or that side, and subscribe to the channel and join the family. And I want to say thank you to my subscribers for subscribing to my channel. And for those of you that have not, what are you waiting for? Come on, join the family. We would love to have you over here. I promise. Today's video is going to be a little interesting. I work at a level 1 trauma center, which is a hospital, and the hospital that I work for houses coronavirus patients or COVID-19 patients. So I need a mask. If you're interested, stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. As I stated previously, my name is Keita, and I would love for you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel and join the family, because today's video is going to be very interesting. Today, I am going to be sharing with you all my mask. And this is what it looks like. And I have shoestrings because my cousin's wife asked me, did I still work at the hospital? And I was like, yeah. And she was like, I see where y'all are housing the coronavirus patients or whatever. So I was like, yeah. So she was like, do you need a mask? I was like, yes. Why don't I need a mask? She was like, okay, I'm gonna make you a mask. So I was like, okay. So she asked me a few questions, and I was like, with a normal surgical mask, it goes behind your ear, and it like rubbed my ear raw, and I was like, I don't like that. So she was like, don't worry about it, I'm gonna figure something out for you. So she came up with this idea, and she made me this. And just pull the strings and put it on. And I just have my hair in a ponytail, and I'm going to pull this down just to make sure it's snug. And this way, it doesn't rub on my ears at all. And that's how it looks. And it is reversible. It is reversible. So I can either wear it this way with the flowers, or I can flip it over and wear it this way as well. But I'm going to fix my shoestring, because like I said, a regular surgical mask goes behind the ear, and it was irritating my ears. So this is what she made for me, and I'm so excited. And I don't know if she's going to be taking orders to ship out to anybody, but if she does, I will be sure to let you guys know. And this does not irritate my ears at all. and I love it. And I thank her so much for making me this mask, because I do work at the hospital, and some of our counterparts have tested positive for the coronavirus. So to stay safe, she made me a mask, and I thank her so much. And it's just like a drawstring here with the shoestring, and it'll scrunch up whenever you pull it on either side. And like I said, I don't know whether or not she's going to be taking orders to make these for anybody or not, but if she does, I will be sure to let you guys know. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I gotta get my thumbnail right. No. But yeah, this is how it looks. I think I like this side too. But the N95's masks are the same concept as this. So, but it has like a rubber band on the back that goes around the back of your head. So I'm loving my mask, and I cannot wait to try this out at work. I want to see exactly how many comments and stuff that I'm going to get on this. So like I said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel. I post daily, Monday through Friday.